For the Chinese government, individual figures like Gyatso is a threat to the unlawful control of Tibet. All that Gyatso did was to advocate for protection and preservation of Tibet's environment, culture, and language, and wrote scholarly articles condemning China's repressive and unlawful policies. This is in line with exercising one's basic human rights, and that is freedom of expression.
Like Gyatso, many Tibetans have been arbitrarily detained and arrested in Tibet in recent time. For example, Rinchen Ki was detained in August, Könme was detained in July, Gyai, a father of 3 from Diru, was detained in April 2021, and similarly last year, monk and writer Gyöngyal Hundrup and many other Tibetans were detained by the Chinese authorities. So arbitrary detention and arrest of Tibetans have become a kind of a common and conventional tool for China to silence Tibetans who are vocal and use their freedom of expression. And this is deeply unsettling and a cause of concern from human rights point of view.